This is Amtrak Solar fixed inline 85-degree thermostat. We're going to show you how to install this thermostat using our kit. First, we're going to connect the thermostat to our extra 15 feet of wire, and we're going to connect it negative to positive, female to male, and it snaps right in to the connector. And then we're going to take the positive side, the male, and connect it to the female on the fan, which is the negative, and that also just connects right into the fan. Then we're going to take the other side of the wire, which is the negative female, and connect it to the positive blue on the fan male, and it connects right in to the connector, and it snaps right in. Then we're going to take the other end of the wire, the 15 feet of wire, and we're going to connect it to our panel. Our extra 15 feet of wire has bullet connectors, but they are, and then our panel has the MC4 connectors, but they are compatible. And all you have to do is take positive to positive, which it's marked here with the little tab on the wire of the MC4 connector on the panel. And we're going to connect the male on the wire here, the bullet connector, into the MC4 connector on the panel. Then we're going to take the negative side, the female, and connect it to the negative here, again is marked on the wire of the MC4 panel, and that also just connects right into and snaps right into the MC4. And this is our Amtrak Solar kit.